Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, June 16th, 2025, we're dissecting Bitcoin, ticker symbol BTCUSD. We'll be looking at both news events and diving into the chart data to make sense of it all. Let's start with what's been happening in the news. According to recent Google searches, Bitcoin is currently trading above $105,000, even amidst geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. CoinDesk reports Bitcoin bounced back to $106,000 after those Iran-Israel jitters, but analysts are still warning of a possible pullback. There's also buzz about Amazon and Walmart potentially moving into stablecoins, which could affect the entire crypto landscape. Let's switch to the daily chart to see if we can spot any of these events reflected in the price action. Looking at the daily chart, from February 2024 to today, we see Bitcoin has experienced significant volatility, ranging from around $43,000 to over $110,000. The price has bounced off the 60K region and seems to be holding steady. Now let's narrow the timescale and zoom in to the last few months. Looking at the period from January 1st, 2025 onward, we see the price made a jump past the 100K area. Then we can see it hit a high around 112K, then retraced a bit, and now is hovering around 105K to 106K. The recent drop mentioned in the news due to trade negotiation stall can be seen on the chart. Let's switch over to the 1-hour chart to look more granularly at this most recent activity. Looking at the 1-hour chart for the last week or so, we can see a bit of chop. There's no clear trend, but the price is generally staying in the 105K to 106K range as the headlines suggest. On the 15-minute chart for today, June 16th, we see chop and indecision in the candles. I'd be wary to trade on this until a clear trend or breakout appears. The next important price levels to watch are the 104K region for support and 107K to 108K region for resistance. For the long term, most analysts still predict a bullish scenario, with some forecasting $140,000 or even $200,000 by the end of the year, though volatility is definitely something to keep in mind.